Let's make this in Canva. So I have already selected my photo. So type curve in the elements and then go to graphics. And I am going to use this one here. Now change the color to white and then rotate that. Duplicate and just make it bigger like this. I'll put this one here. And then duplicate this once again. I'll put it here on the left. And then duplicate again. And I'll put this one here on the right. And then this one will be here. There you go. And then under the tools, I've actually selected the draw here. It should be white, and then just cover everything in white that is not inside this whatever shape I am creating here. And then upload this one as PNG. Once uploaded, just add a slide, add your photo, and then remove the background. Now let me, okay, and then crop that. Alright, and then add a shadow, not this, the outline, there you go. Change the color to white and then upload it once again as PNG. Then select the transparent background. Then let's delete this and add this one. This is the image that we just downloaded. Then grab and go to edit again, add a shadow. I'm going to use page lift here. And then just a quick resize. Duplicate the image on the first slide, this one right here. Drag it to the second slide. And then remove the background and then just resize the image until it is perfectly aligned to the bottom, and then crop that. Okay, and then group your image, and here you go.